Hey guys, KBS Fishing here, and today doing a little bit of bass fishing with minnows. I told y'all from the last video that we were going to be going and catch some bait and stuff. Well, right now the bait that I got's in that bucket right over there, and we're gonna be over here, the open face, and try to catch some bass, smallmouth hopefully. Right now we're using a bobber and a minnow. This is the size minnow that we're using, small little creek chub. So we're gonna try it out. There we go, right over there. Let's try this out, see if we can get anything to bite. Might have to switch to the bait caster. Which if I do, that will be perfectly fine. Hold up, someone just took it. I missed him. Wait, no, he's on. No, I missed him. Okay. So what I'm actually gonna do, since it's not as cold as it was yesterday, I'm gonna take this jacket off. That gives me more leverage so I can cast. So I'm gonna take this, chuck it way over there. I can see my bait right now, and I think I see a bass swimming over to it. I want to take it. He's got it. No, I think he let go. Yeah, he let go. Come on, something, take off with it. So I might have to switch to the bait caster, which if I do, I'm not going to be too upset about that because I like my bait caster. Just try to hopefully let something take off with it. I see my bobber start, look, I'm not sure if y'all can see my bobber out there, but it's right out there. And if I just let it drift this way or this way, the current's going this way. So the minnow's staying there, like he's docile right now. So I'm not sure if that's because of the water change or not, but because like I have room temperature water versus outdoor water, so it's kind of a major change in, you know, temperature. So let's see if he's still going good. Is he still going good? He's not looking too good. We're gonna cast him way out there this time. Ooh, something flashed on it. I see the minnow right now and something flashed on it, so. I'll get right back to y'all whenever something gets a bite. Oh, something's running. He's running with it. Got him. Yep, I got him. Ah, no, he spit it out. Yep. So that's back of my city right there. Tighten the brakes up. Definitely need to tighten the brakes up. Tighten these brakes up. Something's got him. Got him. Oh no. I don't think I set that hard enough on him. How's our minnow looking? Looking, is he dead? This dirty old stash bag's dead, buddy. Cat's just way over here. Somehow I still managed to get backlash from that. Hopefully something grabs him and runs with him. Next time I get a bite, I'm gonna just set it as hard as I can. Well, not as hard as I can, but I'm gonna set it pretty hard. Oh, there's an entire school of bass on it. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's a school of bass surrounding it. Oh, it followed it to the bank. Eat it, eat it, eat it. He ate it, he ate it. You trying? Ah, no. Backlash each time, I don't know why. Keep getting backlash. I'm not sure if I need to tighten something up on here or not. It's official. I might need to switch out for something alive. Do one more. Wait a minute, hold up. Turn this up. Loosen it. Alright. Oh. I think someone just grabbed it. Nope, something's smacking it though. I think it's just a small bass. Oh damn, that's a giant green sunfish. Oh hell, hold up. That's a panfish. That's a crappie, that's a crappie. I mean, I don't know about you boys, but I'll take a crappie any day of the week. Oh no, I spooked him off. Come on, buddy. Come back. Come back. Oh wait, it's over there. Oh no. I don't want the catfish. Oh, I think I see a bass. This is a dead minnow, so what I'm doing right now is just trying to skid it, kind of. Let me get that right. Oh, that's not where I wanted it, but it'll work. What the frick? Oh, bass followed that in. Hold up. Where's he at? Oh, I see him. Come here, I just want to catch you. Come here. Ooh. That's it. Switching up to the O-crawl. Crawfish is on. Oh shit. Crawl boy is all on. Set this down to low so we can cast it further. Small crawfish is smallmouth candy. So I'm hoping a big smallie comes by and eats it, and I just got backlashed down, caught up. Damn it. Something takes this, I'm not gonna be able to fight it. Come on, get out of there. Get untangled. There we go. Still alive? He's still pretty lively, I suppose. Way out there this time. I got backlash again from it. Damn it. Oh, something's going for him. Something. Oh, bass is looking at it. Big bass. That's a, no! Giant one's in. Giant one, giant one. Come on, hurry, hurry, hurry. Dude, I got backlash again. After this, if I don't get this bass, dude, I'm not throwing that crawl again. I'll use it for bluegill bait or something later. I'll rip the tail off of it, use the meat for bluegill bait. Oh, someone just held it. Swimming? Oh no, he spit it. Oh, no, little one. No, give it to the big one. Give it to the big one. Give it to the bigger one. Give it to the bigger one. Give it to the bigger one. I might want to go over there and try against those pilings with the crawfish. Because, you know what? I'm gonna make this guy a deal. I'm not gonna use him just yet for bass. I'm gonna wait to use him later. Put him back in the bucket, get me a minnow out. He's going back in the bucket. Where's the smallest minnow I can see? I see him. There he is. Get a live minnow out. Take him like this. So how I'm hooking these fish is these minnows is like taking them from the bottom lip at the top, just like that. Never catch them out. Oh shit! It's swimming on top of the water. That might be a blow up. There you go. Kick on top. Kick. Oh, something just missed it. Where's it at? There it is. Come on. Eat it. I know you. Oh. No, he didn't blow up. Okay. He went to try to peck at it though. I'm not going to cast him too much because this is a major water change for them. I'm gonna drag down a little. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna tighten it up so I can get the best hook set I can possibly want to get in. No, okay. Nothing right there. There might as well be a crap ton of bass over there. There was last time I was here. Come on, something take it. Ain't caught a single fish, multiple bites, no fish. See my bait. Don't see any fish around it, or any bass. Reel that in, put it back in the bucket, get some more water in the bucket where most spots. Get this guy back in the water real quick. Let's get you some more water. Get these guys a little bit more water before we move. Nothing too much, just a little bit so they have some oxygen and they can adapt to the water change. It's surprisingly warmer today than it was yesterday. Yesterday was fucking freezing. Hell, I think it was below freezing actually. We're out of bait. I got bread with me, so we can go easily catch some more bait. I want to cast up in there. See if I get a reaction strike. Like I said, it is getting kind of cold out. Not many fish is gonna be out at this time of year. Oh, I think I see a bass on a bed over there. Why are there still bass on beds? Oh no, it's just a leaf, my bad. Just a leaf, damn. That's my mood right now. I'm in a leafy mood. I'm in the mood to cut some leaves. Alrighty. Well, it's enough for the dinkers. Feeling some different. Alright, that's it. I'm moving. I'm changing spots. Counted it in my head. Took about 10, 11 casts over there beside the wall. Caught absolutely nothing. Got one bite. Missed the fish. He was running with it. Set the hook and missed him. He was pulling right out of my spool. He about spooled me. So, clicked it, set the hook. He was gone. Had him on the hook for like 10 seconds. Thought it was game all, then he popped off. Had to retie and everything. So, it's my cue to move. I'm gonna skedaddle out of here. We'll go on further down the creek, see if I can catch any bass. Taking this damn bobber off, don't need it. This bad bitch in my pocket. For those who might be wondering what this is, it's water. For me, I guess I get thirsty later, so don't want to be drinking this water. It's not sewage, but at least from the river. From the river, sewage gets dumped into the river, which is kind of fucking retarded. Don't know why you would ever. Oh, okay, hold up. I just dropped the hard R word. My bad, guys. Just dropped the big old hard R. Did not mean to do that. Well, I mean, I did, but I didn't mean to say that out loud. Well, I meant to do that too. Oh well, I said it. Things happen. That's a big ass spider, buddy. Go around this barbed wire without cutting myself. Whew, that shit's sharp as frick. Oh shit, I just spooked a bass. It was a decent one too. I would fish this, But it only looks like there's only 2 feet of water here. Never know, there might be some dirty old bass hiding around through here. I'm gonna go, I'm come up here to this side of the creek. Well, I know there's bass. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and catch some more bait. Oh, big gar. There's a big gar. Oh, I don't have the equipment for that. I don't have any of my fucking. Damn, dude, that sucks. I don't have any. I mean any of my leaders with me. If I had my leaders, I would have definitely casted for him. He was active too. He was swimming around pretty fast actually. I think it's because today's one of those warmer days. Here's a decent sized minnow. Actually a good one. Try him out, see if there's any big ass bass in here. Just wanting to eat. Oh, something's smacking it. Something's eating it. As soon as it hit the water. As soon as it hit the water. As soon as it hit the water. Get in there. Catch me, biggin. I had a lot of shiners that would work. I'm gonna go to a spot that I haven't tried first shiners in a while. I know that used to be loaded with them. I just stopped fishing for them because I could never catch them. Alrighty. Oh, I gave myself backlash. Well, I did actually. It's not as bad as it was all the other times. Come on, something to eat him. I know something's gotta be hungry enough to eat it. My line is on caught in this side of the reel, not that one. That's weird. So he's doing pretty good. So I can get a dirty old bass from over there. Is he? He's got it. Yeah, he's got it. Ah, pulled it out of his mouth too early. If I just let him eat for a second longer, he would have had that hook completely in his mouth. And it would have been game over. Come on, I'll take any size bass at this point. Even if it's a tiny one, you want to eat something that's 5 times its fucking size. Crank these brakes up, bro. Oh. I got him. Wait. Oh, nope. I got him. Yep. There he is. No. Why do these fish keep coming off, bro? That's the 5th time today. That's the 5th time today. Don't want it over there. How's she swimming? I want to see this. She's not looking too hot. I'm gonna pull her up, put her back in the bucket, and walk down further. She's looking like she need a break. Give this girl a break. Switch to the open face. Go back down further into the creek. Try to take one of these smaller minnows, trying to get a smallmouth from over here in this little hole. I know there's gotta be something holding him down in this hole. Just gotta figure out where. There's gotta be a dirty old smallmouth or bass hiding down through here somewhere. Normally I used to catch them all the time right here. Right here they used to be completely full. Now they're just not. It's kind of weird actually. Oh, I see minnows. I don't know if y'all can see all of them, but they're everywhere. They only come out on warm days. Oh, there's a big ass minnow. I won't be able to catch him, he's too big though. He's just a little small though. I know he's a minnow because he's not a creek chub. I think there'd be something hiding up underneath that. There's not. Go just a little bit further this little hole. Oh hey, water's running now. Wonder if there's gonna be something in this little pocket over here. I'm gonna try it. Try this out. It's gotta be a smallmouth in here. Oh, that's a good looking hole. I'm gonna try this out. Trying to whip up the old open face. Open face is gonna be it for the day. Try this out. Where's the smallest minnow I can find? This right here will be right on top of the water. He ought to be good. Kind of lively. What kind of fucking minnow? Oh, it's a crawfish. I wonder what he thinks of a minnow. Might be able to catch him actually. Cast his way out over there. Where'd he go? Well, I done lost him. Oh, I see him. He's an itty bitty little failure. Set that right there. I see him. Oh, he sees me though. Pull up my pant legs and get in the water a little ways. I don't know if y'all can see him. Come back, I just want to catch you. He's up underneath the rock now. I'm gonna leave him alone. That was a good little find though. Not too sad that I lost him. At all actually. He was a good little find. He was so small. Probably would have been able to catch him if I had just focused a little bit more on him instead of letting y'all get an angle on it. Figured I'd let y'all be able to see him too. So the little hole I'm talking about is right over here. Last time I was here, I threw a tiny little minnow in there. Caught a big ass smallmouth. I'm talking about maybe 5-6 pounds. I don't think there's something in there this big anymore. Not because of just the way it looks. I mean, because of how shallow it is. If there's a 5-pounder hiding around in here, it's stupid. Which means I should be able to get it to eat. Hoping Smalley comes by. Sees it. Oh, I see you. I see you. There you go. Swim with it. There you go. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. I'm not sure if he ate it. I don't think he did. Nah, he was there with it though. Oh, 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 oh. Can't tell if that was a hit or not. That was a hit. He's got him. No. There's gotta be some smallie in here. I just missed that one. Don't tell me that's the only smallie in here. That can't be the only smallie in here. That is, and there's definitely something wrong here. Skip that right up in there. Oh no, no. Oh no, hit it. I don't know what is up with me and losing fish today. What's up with that today, dude? I don't know. Right up in the weed pile. Come on, something come out and launch it. Even if it's just a small little spot, I'll take it. If it's a small little spotted bass, I'll take it. I'll take it any day of the week. That's mainly what's in here, spot and smallmouth. There's a lot of smallmouth in here. Or well, there used to be a crap ton of smallmouth in here. I think from where it's getting so cold, they're not really out anymore. Take this dirty old trash bag over here. We'll wade through a little bit. Try to get to the other side without dying. That's deep. Where's the shallowest way? I'm gonna say right there. My boots aren't exactly waterproof anymore. I don't have water in my boots yet, but it's bound to happen. It's always been bound to happen. Oh, I just spooked something big out from underneath the rock too. Which way do I go? Go. I'm gonna say over here. Looks like the shallowest way. I'm not trying to fall here. I'm not trying to get my pant legs wet either. Ooh, that fell. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Cannot be trying to fall here. If I fall here, I'm fucked. Ooh, this water's cold as hell. Oh, guys, I'm doing this shit for you. No. Water's getting my boots. Water's getting my boots. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Nope. I don't like this. Not even slice back. I'm going back. Fuck that. Fuck that, bro. Fuck the video, bro. Fuck that. These are the only clothes I got. I gotta make them last. Oh, big spot. He just came in. Where is he? There he is. Got him. Oh, I missed him. I feel like the reason I'm not catching anything is because I'm setting the hook way too early. The moment I'm not trying to like let them sit too long running with it, because I don't want them to swallow the hook. Because I don't have no pliers or nothing on me to get it out if they do. I'm not gonna weigh that way, but I will weigh this way. It's a hell of a lot shallower. I just seen a baby catfish, bro. Like, not even gonna cap. Come on, I need a smallie to eat this. I need a good old smallie. Right there. Every time I casted there last year, there's always a smaller something sitting there waiting to eat something. Now, it's like nobody fucking cares anymore. That sucks. I'm seeing all these little catfish. I don't know how the fuck there's not any big ones. There's this many small ones. I feel like those are just a bunch of baby bullhead. But I could be wrong. Oh, that's a bigger one. Oh, that one over there is way bigger. He's big enough to eat this minnow. Catfish? Oh, catfish got it. Yeah, catfish got it. Run. I'll let him run a little bit longer. Oh, pulled the minnow straight out of his mouth. Damn. Moving on. He just got lost still. I don't want to say he is. I'll be wrong about it later. You know what? I think he's dead. Yeah, he's dead. I'm gonna use him for cut bait. We're not gonna do it to him. Comes back alive. We don't think he is though. How your daddy will. Motherfucker. Some good water. Be right back to y'all as soon as I get a fish. Alright guys, I'm back. So, no luck at the second spot. Y'all seen that clip? I'm gonna tie on a micro hook and I'm gonna see if I can test my patience with that. See what all I can get. Give you kind of a clue what I'm doing. That's what the size hook I'm using. And I'm gonna take a swivel. Yeah, you heard right, a swivel. I'm gonna use that swivel to catch some fish. So let's find us this little swivel here. So basically what the swivel is gonna do is it's gonna put a little bit of weight so I can get my bait down there to the fish. I'm just fishing this tiny little puddle. See if I can pull something out of it. Hopefully with any luck I can try to pull something decent size out of it. But I don't think that's gonna be the case. So set that down.